Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear today. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Action. Place both feet on the ground. Take long and deep breaths to keep you grounded and stay present. Is it hard for you to stay present? Which item has our quotes today? I made this cute little shoebox. Take deep belly breaths. Your voice matters. You deserve good things. Your story matters. Your smile can change the energy. You deserve good things. Forgive quickly. Their opinions don't pay your bills. Thoughts and words and actions equal life. And the last one today, I am important. All right, thanks for stopping by.